Vada Pav recipe. 3 to 4 medium potatoes boiled and mashed. 1 tablespoon oil, 1 teaspoon mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 to 2 green chilies finely chopped, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 10 to 12 curry leaves, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1/2 teaspoon red chili powder, salt to taste, a pinch of asafoetida hing, 1 tablespoon chopped coriander leaves, juice of half a lemon, 1 cup gram flour besan, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1/2 teaspoon red chili powder, salt to taste, a pinch of baking soda optional, water as needed for the batter consistency. 6 pav buns soft bread rolls, green chutney, sweet tamarind chutney, dry garlic chutney, oil for frying. 1. Heat oil in a pan. Add mustard seeds and cumin seeds, let them splutter. 2. Add curry leaves, green chilies, and ginger garlic paste. Saute for a minute until fragrant. 3. Add turmeric powder, red chili powder, and asafoetida. Stir for a few seconds. 4. Add mashed potatoes, salt, and mix well. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes, then turn off the heat. 5. Add coriander leaves and lemon juice. Let the mixture cool down. 6. Once cool, shape the mixture into small, round balls. 8. Another heat oil in a deep pan for frying. 9. In a bowl, mix gram flour, turmeric powder, red chili powder, salt, and a pinch of baking soda and dip each potato ball into the gram flour batter, coating it evenly. 10. Carefully drop it into the hot oil and fry until golden and crisp. Remove and drain on paper towels. 11. Slice the pav buns in half, but don't cut them all the way through. 12. Spread green chutney on one side and sweet tamarind chutney on the other. 13. Place a fried vada in between the pav, sprinkle some dry garlic chutney optional, and close the bun. 14. Hot with green chili on the side for an authentic experience. Enjoy your homemade Vada Pav. I hope you like this recipe. If you like this recipe, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon. And on which recipe to make next video, please let us know in the comments section. If you want to watch more delicious videos, I have put the link in the description.